Direct Line Contents and Renters Insurance UK app. The pros, the cons. The Direct Line Contents and Renters Insurance UK app is designed for anyone wanting a single platform to manage both the renters and contents coverage. Many think it's just a policy viewer, but it actually allows claims submission, premium payments, and real-time tracking of your policies. On the pros side, the app provides instant access to policy details, including coverage limits, deductibles, and optional add-ons. Filing claims is simple. You can upload photos and documents directly through the app for faster processing. Premium payments are easy to manage, with reminders and a full billing history. Push notifications keep you informed on claims status, policy changes, and upcoming payments. The combined management of renters and contents coverage is a major convenience, saving time and reducing stress. On the con side, offline functionality is limited, and an internet connection is required for most features. Some users report slower performance when accessing older claims or detailed policy documents. Advanced planning features such as coverage calculators or multi-policy comparisons are missing, which may limit those seeking more detailed management tools. In conclusion, the Direct Line Contents and Renters Insurance UK app is a practical and reliable solution for managing multiple insurance policies. While it doesn't offer advanced planning tools, it excels in claims management, premium tracking, and policy monitoring. For renters in the UK, this app provides convenience, clarity, and peace of mind.